Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing something very interesting, making a DIY thermos flask. So for this project, we are going to need a big plastic bottle, sellotape, pair of scissors, a pepper cutter, pieces of peppers, a glass bottle, aluminum foil, thermometer, and then a glue gun. A disclaimer: this pepper cutter and pair of scissors are extremely sharp objects, and also this glue gun needs to be connected to an electricity source before it's used. So children, please use these materials under the supervision of your parents or guardians. So the first step is for us to wrap this aluminum foil around this glass bottle. We're using this glass bottle instead of a plastic bottle because it's not medically safe to drink hot water out of a plastic bottle. But as we're wrapping it, we have to make sure that this shiny part is put on the inside and then this less shiny part is on the outside. So after wrapping up enough aluminum foil, we shall cut out the rest. So I'm going to use some sellotape to make sure that it sticks and not move around. This aluminum foil has covered our entire bottle, and I'm going to cut it up to the neck of the bottle. Since we also need the base of this bottle covered, I'm going to use this extra aluminum foil to cover its bottom. Like this. Now I'm going to put some more sellotape to secure the base of our bottle. Okay, so we need to organize this upper part so that the aluminum foil completely slips on the bottle. So we are going to cut some parts out. Again, I'm going to use sellotape to make it stick. So now that we are done with wrapping the aluminum foil around this glass bottle, we shall add on this piece of paper. So we are wrapping this piece of paper around this because paper is a bad conductor of heat. So by wrapping the paper around it, we are making sure that we retain as much heat as possible inside our bottle. So I'm going to cut parts of this piece of paper so that the piece of paper matches the shape of the glass bottle. So now that our glass bottle is ready, we shall have to put it inside this big plastic bottle. But for that to happen, we shall need to cut it into two. Okay, now that we've cut it up, we shall have to try to put this inside and cover the bottle. As you can see, this plastic bottle is very much longer than the glass bottle inside. So I'm going to reduce it a little bit. So now that I've reduced the height of the bottle, let's try it again and see. So as you can see, it's still shaking. That means we have to reduce this a little bit more. Okay, I've reduced the size, so let's try it again. Yeah, I think this will work. So we are going to use a glue gun to stick these two bottles onto each other. Let's start from the base. So now that I've put some bit of glue here, I'm going to put this glass bottle inside. The glue is there to help the glass bottle not to move around. We need it to be firm. I'm going to hold it for a little while so that it dries up. Next, we shall have to also glue this upper part onto the glass bottle. So I'm going to apply some bit of glue around the mouth of this glass bottle. So after putting this glue, I'm going to put back the cover to this bottle. Ta-da! Okay, we are going to give this a few seconds to dry.
Many minutes later.
Okay, our glue has dried up. So there is this open space that we need to get rid of. So I'm going to use a sellotape to wrap it up. So now that this bottle is all wrapped up, our thermos flask is ready for use. We are going to put back the top of the bottle. So now that our thermos flask is ready for use, we are going to try it out, and we are going to pour a very hot water into it, measure the temperature using our thermometer, and then we shall take about 30 minutes and then measure the temperature again to see if it actually keeps our water hot. So here is our hot water. Let's pour it inside our thermos flask using this funnel. So now that our hot water is inside the thermos flask, let's take a recording of the first temperature, and we shall come back after 30 minutes and take measurements again. So the current temperature of this hot water is now 78 degrees Celsius. We're going to wait 30 minutes and measure again. So now we've waited 30 minutes and we are going to take another measurement to see if the water is still hot. Ooh. So now our current temperature is 64 degrees Celsius, which is not bad for our DIY thermos flask because the initial temperature of the water was 78 degrees Celsius and now it's 64 degrees Celsius, which means this thermos flask can actually keep our hot water hot for some time. So today we've learned about how to make a thermos flask with the available materials we have at home. Children, please try out this experiment at home under the supervision of your guardian or parents. Thank you for watching our video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.